Hello guys, ito naman po si Lance Liam. For today's video ay nagluto tayo ng pork shiitake mushroom. Ayan. So ginisa lang natin siya sa sibuyas at bawang. And then, naglagay tayo ng oyster sauce. So this is Japanese food. Alright. So, this is shiitake pork chop. Pork. Alright. Ay, naku po. Napakasarap po niyan. Super sa mainit na kanin. Yummy. So, this is our shiitake mushroom. Pork shiitake mushroom. Ayan. And also, we have sinigang na pork chop. Alright. So, ito na po ang ating pork shiitake mushroom. Ayan. Ako, napakasarap ito sa white rice at saka magcha-chopstick ka. Para feel mo naman yung Japanese food na kinakain mo. So, this is our pork shiitake mushroom. Thank you.